Okay, so the problem of the day today reads, Jamil is 1 year younger than Leon, and Leon is 3 years younger than Alex. If Alex is 10 years old, how old are Leon and Jamil? Let's start with what we know. Let's underline the important information first. So let's underline Alex is 10 years old. And then we have Jamil's 1 year younger than Leon, and Leon is 3 years younger than Alex. So we have Alex is 10. And we know that Leon is 3 years younger than Alex. So Leon is 7. And then Jamil is 1 year younger than Leon. So we know that he is 6.